morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, September 24th. The euro traded marginally lower against the US dollar and closed at 1.2847 after the manufacturing PMI in Germany, Eurozone's biggest economy, dropped to 50.3 in September. In the US, the manufacturing PMI remained steady at 57.9 in September, compared to market expectations of a rise to 58.0. Meanwhile, the housing price index rose 0.1% on a monthly basis. Yesterday, the St. Louis Fed President James Bullard in a conference stated that he expects the first move of hiking in interest rates by Fed would be employed at the end of the first quarter 2015. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2827 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2801. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2891 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2929. The British pound rose 0.15% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6391. In economic news, the UK mortgage approvals registered an unexpected drop to a level of 41.6k in August, lower than market expectations of a rise to 42.9k and following a revised reading of 42.8k registered in the prior month. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6330 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.6259. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.6444 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6487. Trading trends in the pound today would be expected to be determined by economic news from other countries. The US dollar strengthened 0.06% against the Japanese yen and closed at 108.83. Early morning data indicated that the preliminary manufacturing PMI in Japan unexpectedly eased to 51.7 in September, lower than market expectations of a rise to a level of 52.5 and down from 52.2 in August. The pair is expected to find support at 108.25 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 107.87. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 109.01 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 109.39. The US dollar traded flat against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9398. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9363 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9332. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.9414 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9434. Going forward, investors keenly await the S&P's third quarter bulletin to get more insights on the Swiss economy, scheduled in a few hours. That was our last currency pair for today. CommexFX continues to travel the world by sponsoring this week's expo in Johannesburg, South Africa, which takes place on the 26th and 27th of September. So if you're anywhere nearby, pass by our booth and meet us in person. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!